Hello everyone, welcome to the 2025 Engineering Drawing and Studio Design Practicum in Module 3.2 Geometric Dimension and Tolerance. In this practical, we will study Module 3.2 Geometric Dimension and Tolerance, which is about how to provide dimension and tolerance according to engineering drawing rules. If in the previous module we have studied essential drawing on how create border, title blocks, breakouts, and projection on an espresso machine in the form of engineering drawings. So, in this module, we will continue by providing information on dimension, tolerance, and datums according to the rule of engineering drawings on espresso machine. Now, I will explain what dimension is. Dimension or dimensioning is the process of annotating the size of an image. Dimension can be length, width, height, depth, and so on. Today, we will learn 6 types of dimension. The first is general dimension. This feature is further specified into 3 types, namely 1. Linear dimension, 2. Radial dimension, 3. Angular dimension. This tool can be found on the dimension tab as shown on the screen. Next is the baseline dimension. This feature automatically determines the dimension between one origin point and the selected reference line. Display in arranged manner at different levels from the close to the furthest. Ordinate dimension. This feature determines the position of a point by referring to the origin point marked with a value of 0.00 mm. Chain dimension. This feature automatically determines the dimension between a number of selected points. Display side by side or arranged at the same level or parallel. Arrange dimension. This feature is used to arrange existing irregular dimension into a baseline dimension format. Next, retrieve dimension. This feature automatically displays the dimension and tolerance on an object. Datum. Datum is a plane where the axis or point is referenced by tolerance and dimension. Last is tolerance. Tolerance is a deviation in size from the basic size that is permitted or allowed, namely the upper deviation and lower deviation of an object in an engineering drawing. Okay, now we will go to the labwork session. In this session, you will learn how to provide dimension and tolerance according to the engineering drawing rules. Okay, next, for the first, open your file in Kelengkapan Praktikum Modul 3.2 folder. Choose this file and rename this file to your identity. After that, open your file. And this is how look this file. Okay, next, double click in sheet 1. And this is how look the sheet 1. After that, expand sheet 1. Expand the title block and double click field text. Complete your identity by choosing the desired property field and change the value. After that, click OK. Double click sheet 1 and go to Manage and Style Editor. After that, expand dimension. Click Default ISO. Change the value of precision and angular precision to 0. After that, click Save and Close. Okay, next go to tab Annotate and click Dimension. In this view, select the outer circle and drag the dimension outer of the part, and then left click. Click OK. Next, click the middle circle and drag the dimension outer of the part, and left click. Click OK. Next, click the inner circle, drag the dimension outer of the part, left click, and click OK. Okay, next, in this view, left click all determine line in order from bottom and top. Drag the dimension outer of the part, and then left click. In this edit dimension, in precision and tolerance, the tolerance method, we click deviation and set the upper of 0.02 and lower 0.02. After that, click OK, and this is the result. Scrolling to upper of the view and select the fillet. Drag the dimension outer of the part and then left click and click OK. This is the result. Next, click baseline dimension and choose the determine line 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, right click and click continue. Drag the dimension to bottom side and then left click, and this is the result. Next, in Annotate tab, we go to Symbol and expand, find the datum identifier symbol, and then left click, click the determine line, drag to left side, and then click. Change the datum name to A, and OK. OK, next, expand the symbol again, find the feature control frame, and then click. Choose the determine line, drag into upper side, left click, and then right click, choose continue. In this feature control frame, the symbol, we choose perpendicularity and set a datum to A. In tolerance, set the 0.05. After that, click OK, and this is the result. Next, into feature control frame, we go to this view and select the inner circle, drag to upper right and outside of the part, and then left click, right click, choose continue. Choose symbol to circularity, set tolerance to 0.01, and delete the datum. After that, click OK. And this is the result for sheet 1. Okay, we go to the next sheet. First, double click in sheet 2, and this is the result for this sheet 2. Expand the sheet 2, expand the title block, and double click file text. Complete your identity by choosing the desired property field and change the value. After that, click OK. Okay, next in Annotate tab, click Dimension and zoom this view. Click the determine line and drag the dimension to bottom side. Left click and click OK. Next, zoom this part and select the determine line, but don't select the line when midpoint appears. Click, click, drag the dimension to the upper right outside of the part. Left click and click OK. Okay, next go to this view and select this line. Drag the dimension upper of the part. Left click. Okay, we go to text and this we can choose depth symbol and click 20. After that, click OK. And this is the result. Okay, next click the baseline and we go to this view, select the determine line 1, 2, 3. After that, right click and choose continue. Drag the dimension to the right side and then left click. And this is the result for this view. Okay, we go to the next view. Click baseline and select the determine line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoom in and the last is this line. After that, click continue and drag the dimension to the right side. After that, left click and this is the result. Okay, next select the change dimension and select the determine line. Is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, right click and choose continue. Drag the dimension to the bottom side and then left click. Okay, next go to dimension and choose this line, but don't select this line if midpoint appears. Click, click, drag the dimension to left side and click and then click OK. Okay, next select this line and also this and drag the dimension to the left side. Left click. After that, click OK. Okay, next click this angular line, drag the dimension to the left side, left click, and the edit dimension text, click space x space 16. After that, click OK. And this is the result for this view. Okay, in the next view, in Annotate tab, click dimension and choose the determine line. Zoom, choose the line and drag the dimension to the upper side. Left click and edit dimension in text, click space and the depth symbol, space and 5. After that, click OK. Okay, next we go to the next view. In there, click the dimension and select the determine line. Choose this line and drag the dimension to the bottom side, and then left click before the value, add the diameter symbols, space, and after the value, click the plus or minus and add 0.01. After that, click OK. Next, choose this line, drag the dimension to the bottom side, left click before the value, add the diameter symbol, space. After that, click OK. Next, in the annotate tab, click baseline and choose the determine line 1, 2, and 3. After that, right click, choose continue, drag the dimension to the right side and left click, and this is the result for this view. Now we will give the datum. First, go to symbol and expand, find the datum identifier symbol and then click, choose this line and drag the datum into left side, left click and change datum to A and then click OK. Next, click this line and drag datum to upper side, left click and change datum to B. After that, click OK. Next, go to symbol and expand, find a feature control frame and click, choose this midpoint, left click and drag to left side and outer of the part, left click and click continue. Expand the symbol, click position, set a tolerance to 0.05, add datum A and this B. After that, click OK, and this is the result. Okay, next in this view, click feature control frame and choose this line, drag into bottom side, left click and then right click, choose continue, and datum, delete the datum, in symbol expand and choose the flatness, set a tolerance to 0.05. After that, click OK, and this is the result for sheet 2. Okay, next double click in sheet 3. On the last sheet, practicants are asked to complete it independently according to the guideline in the study case. Okay, next I will tell you how to convert all sheet into one PDF file. First, go to File and then Export, click PDF. Choose the folder you want to save and don't forget rename your file. After that, click Option. In Print Range, click All Sheet and the setting uncheck these two choice. In Vector Resolution, choose the 1200 dpi. After that, click OK and click Save.